Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, as you all know, Progress the Analyst, I am here to give you all the update back to back. You know, our duty in this platform is for me to bring to your notice everything that is happening all over the globe. Abba, this year we are taking it extra mile. So, there is an update here because some time ago I talked about the Biafra self-referendum, and a lot of people were telling me, Progress the Analyst, you don't know what you are talking about. This thing you are saying is not true. But today, we are going to hear it pink, blue, and white. Let it not be that it's Progress the Analyst that is saying it. Just listen to this update and make sure you watch it to the end. You know I am here for you, and I will keep you updated on all the latest happening so that you will also know how to relate things to people. That is why Progress the Analyst said, I am not going anywhere until you get all the update back to back. Now listen to this update and I'll be right back.
If you want your vote to count in our self-referendum coming up soon, you must go to that database and register. If you don't, then you've lost. So we are doing our part. Your part would be to register. And we will be talking to you when it is time. We will walk you through because no one will have an excuse not to be an active participant. One other thing I need you to remember, you Biafrans have the power. Power belongs to the people. Stand up, take that power. It starts by going to that database. Once we release the link, register for your self-referendum, cast your vote, we are going home. So thank you so much. I thank you all for allowing us to serve you.
We just had Christmas, and this is a perfect time to think about other people, think about your family, think about your loved ones, think about your ancestors, and generally think about who we are, what are our values, where we come from, and I'm Polish, so I was reminiscing about World War II and how it affected us in Poland, and I was thinking about people who fought in that war, what they really had to go through. It's just unimaginable. And then I realized that right now, as we speak, we are living a history. Biafra is fighting for independence, and this is a history happening right now. This is the times that people will be writing books about. This is the times that people will be making movies about, and we are living it as we speak right now. And I think that sometimes when we are living this reality, it just seems so normal. The news are coming every day. At some point, you kind of just get used to it, and it seems like part of everyday life. And we might forget how important and how significant it is. And here I am holding the Declaration of Biafra. This is the proof that Biafra is here. Biafra is coming. Nobody and nothing can stop Biafra anymore. So guys, here it is, Declaration of Biafra. I will see you in Biafra land.
For those of you who are able to make it to the east and south, I wish you luck. I wish you best. I wish you long life. And I also wish you to get prepared for the worst that is about to happen. This year, 2024, may not favor all of us. Yes. If you make it to 2025, don't forget those who sacrifice that you may live. And of course, we are not afraid of dying for what we love so dearly. This 2024 is going to be one of the best years so far in the history of years. In this very generation, yes. But it's also going to be the worst year to the enemies of Biafra and to all the sabotage of Biafra land. Believe you me. We have come that we may restore Biafra. And Biafra we must restore. This is the portions of land Chukwukika Abiyama gave to our great-great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. And we have taken an oath to hand over this land to our children and our children unborn, without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Hausa, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it. And so shall it be. And our children and our children will enjoy this great land of Biafra in peace and harmony, serving Chukwukika Abiyama, the Creator. And in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. So, brethren, you are once again welcome to this great year of freedom, 2024. I believe you are ready. As I always told you, to gather your trumpet and your band ready for celebration of freedom, because freedom is here already. Freedom is here already. Freedom of Biafra is here already. Thank you very much. The enemies of Biafra have been receiving it woto. I believe some of you have been hearing the news. Believe you me, network have been so very bad for my area that I could not break the news on time for you people. But believe you me, they are packing. We are sending them packing. They have only one option: either they stay and die, or they run with their life. And that is it. They are being destroyed beyond repair, and we are pulling them down totally this year. Thank you very much, my lovely family of Facebooks. Share this message, like this message, and give me your comments. I really want this year to be a remarkable year for all Biafrans and the lovers of freedom. Thank you for those of you who have been checking on me. Thank you very much for those of you who have never failed to pray for the men on ground. Keep praying for us. God has been hearing your prayer. Believe you me. He has been hearing your prayer. I will not fail to appreciate all of you that have been checking on me, that have been praying for men on ground. May Chukwukika Abiyama guide and protect all of you. May God bless Biafra government in exile and the homeland. Long live Nnamdi Kanu. Long live the great Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Long live all the concretes.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.